In this video, I'm going to show you how to do division and multiplication formulas inside of Excel. And in this scenario, we are going to be preparing for the apocalypse. And I have 500 gallons of gas that I've stored away in a container. I'm trying to figure out how many trips to town I can take and how many miles I can go altogether with my store of gas for my truck, which only gets 25 miles to the gallon. Anyhow, this is our scenario. So what we're going to do first is we're going to say for every gallon that we have, we can go 25 miles. So we're going to say equals sign, right? And then we're going to click on our gallons of gas, and then we're going to put an asterisk, or hold down Shift and 8, right, for asterisk. Then we're going to click on what we're multiplying by. So we can go 12,500 miles, right? And we know that it is 50 miles to town and back. And so this is a cool situation where you can actually write a formula that's based off of another formula that you've written in this. So this one, I'll say, I need to say trips I can take to town. So I can go this many miles. This is how many miles each trip takes, right? So I can go to town 250 times, right? Right? And so now I know that my 500 gallon of gas storage will get me to town and back 250 times. So don't know how many times you need to go into town, but this should, get me through the apocalypse or whatever, right? So just for that little scenario there, that's how you do multiplication and division inside of Microsoft Excel. I hope that was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.